we are citizens. We are paying your salary.
Yung ganyan talaga.
We are paying your salary. So you answer us.
For the meantime, I'm making a proper, even if you don't receive, by law we can proper the complaint and all the annexes, and that is legal. If you will not receive, that is deemed legally received by law.
We tendered it.
Tender.
We are properly and tendering it
Our complaint.
in under and by virtue of the Constitution.
Teka. Sandali. Today is 2:18.
Okay, si attorney- si attorney naman-
22nd.
I acknowledge the time is 2:11.
Yes.
Oh, sige, 2:11.
Sandali.
Okay, sige.
Para kalma lang tayo, si attorney naman is here to explain to us. Attorney, maybe better
Yes, explain it to us right now.
I will.
Upo muna kayo tayo.
Upo muna tayo.
Kaya sabi ko bakla.
Ako muna tayo.
Para hindi tayo parang tense dito sa ano.
Yeah.
Attorney, please sit down here.
I note your manifestation, sir. I note your manifestation.
But going back, Banyero, to my original question, what is your legal authority in saying that you are not authorized to receive? We want to know. We are
It is
curious.
a statement of fact na I am not authorized.
Okay.
So you are saying that based on your own conclusion of what the law says, you are not authorized. Is that what you're telling this fellow lawyer?
It's not in the law.
Panyero,
It's
kaya
against the
nga.
law. It's against the law.
Is that what you're saying?
Okay lang, sandali So sinasabi na ni attorney, I'm not authorized. Is there an instruction, attorney?
No.
Wala. Walang
So
instruction
that-
from SecGen, walang instruction from...
Okay, going to my next question.
Okay.
Since there is no instruction, you're saying that you cannot receive the complaint is based on your conclusion of the what the law says.
Wait, sir. Wait, sir.
Pakalit naman, sir.
These questions, what are they for?
We want to know because we are citizens. We are paying
And
your
this is a public
salary.
office.
You are a public, you're a public official.
Okay, one by one.
Under the Constitution, very clear that if there's an impeachment complaint and duly endorsed by
O sige, para maliwanag na I refuse to be covered by any media recording or anything.
Ano, this is public. Wala yan sa ano.
Hindi pwede.
This is a public office.
This is a public office.
Hindi to private conversation pare ko.
For manifestation's sake,
Okay.
Okay.
I just manifest.
Okay, go
I
ahead.
am not consented to any recording or broadcasting of any conversation here as I don't.
Okay.
Our lawyer and co-complainant, Attorney Ferdy Topacio will tender the
Okay.
complaint.
Okay.
Hindi, sandali lang, for the record.
Oo.
We'll tender the complaint in accordance with the Constitution.
I note,
Okay.
I note for the proper. That's
Kanina yun, di ba?
I know.
Inabot ko. Oh.
I note for the proper. I said no. Para let's go through the motion.
Okay.
I said no.
Yes.
Para at least po.
Okay.
Nonetheless, we are tendering
Attorney, just to be, to you, to be candid, syempre, because we understand na hindi ka naman yung authorized, but of course, as a group, we will also take legal steps. That's why may mga ganito lang motions. We understand na. So, we thank you.
Wala pong sama ng loob. If that is what I understand.
So, in fact, we feel sorry that you have to take the
We
fall
thank
for
you
this
for
video.
receiving us. So, maraming salamat. Kung may documents,
Yes.
Establish ko lang. It's 2/11, 22 January na tinender namin sa iyo yung aming very
kukumpletin ko na rin po.
Okay.
It was an attempt to
No, it's not an attempt. We tendered to you.
We tendered to you.
Para kukumpletin ko na nga.
galing na sa kanya.
Sige, let
You
him...
are here
To tender.
To tender. I refuse.
That's legal.
And you left a copy here in the office. You could actually leave it there. Para okay na po tayo.
Pwede bang
ma-receive Is that satisfactory?
Okay na.
Okay,
Yes, thank you.
This
Thank
is
you.
what I
Thank you.
propose.
Attorney,
Di ba office, ito ka pa niya, no? Di ba office hours nyo hanggang alas 5?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, okay. Since wala si Cheloy dito, hihintayin namin na dumating siya ulit.
Yeah, buddy.
Ako, hintayin ko. I'll stay here until 7.
Sama si Cheloy. Tanungin mo ko sa
We will wait
Out of the country.
until
Okay.
Kaya,
Anyway, thank you for that. Alam mo naman na.
where is the SecGen? Where is the SecGen?
Asan ang section? For the record. Kunyari.
Where's the SecGen?
For the record.
Taiwan. And in her absence, who is the acting SecGen? Sandali. For the record.
Isa-isa
Who is?
lang. Isa-isa lang.
It's you.
No,
It's you.
there is no acting secretary.
Siya ang ano.
Who's the second in
But
command?
you are
Ikaw.
second in command.
In this office, I am the executive.
Nonetheless, we are tendering and proffering our original complaint and the annexes for and under and by virtue of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines.
Kaya kanina ko pa sinasabi, baka meron kayong binabiolate na civil service regulation. Kasi you're supposed to be, pagka wala dito yung
Automatic.
yung
May officer in charge.
merong papalit, merong susunod.
Automatic.
Secondly, Panyero.
Wala.
Secondly, Panyero.
Bakit si Garapin? Nag-ano na naman, pumunta ng Taiwan.
Hindi, kung wala siya na.
The office is here.
Okay. We have already, di ba? We've established yung, already. We already given it. Si attorney naman was kind enough to state yung legal basis. So, okay na tayo. Ha?
Hindi, gusto ko lang tanong pa kay
Ito si attorney, ha?
Governor Chavit,
Sir, iikot ako.
Okay, Governor
Ako
Chavit.
iikot, ako iikot. Because,
Isa-isa para ano. Si Admiral Carlos. Governor Chavit. Okay, si Secretary Jimenez Peron. Attorney Topacio. Hindi ikaw. Yung mas gwapo. Kathy Bina. And former Congressman Jing
no
Para.
introduction necessary.
Of course, Attorney Manny Luna,
I'm the
Attorney
first
General
complainant, former
Garcia.
Commissioner, Presidential Anti-Corruption
Pero,
Commission.
And, sorry, Attorney D. Harold Respicio, Vice Mayor.
Complainant as well, sir.
Thank you, Attorney.
pero, Congressman Mike, di ba merong executive order that since there is a one China policy, restricted ang travel ng public officials natin to Taiwan?
Ibang topic na yan. Ibang topic na yan.
Kaya nga, hindi.
For the record.
For the record. Because, hindi, kaya naging relevant yun because the reason for the absence of the Secretary General is that she traveled to Taiwan. And under the One China policy, restricted government officials, even on private visits, restricted to Taiwan under the One China policy. May exceptions, of course, but tingnan natin.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay lang. We understand, of course.
I'll see you. You don't walk na rin.
Okay.
Yun nga. Anyway, hindi naman ni attorney yung...
Enter naman tayo, that's enough. That's the legal requirement.
Tira, manong? Let's go.
Iwan mo natin yan. Ay, Kong.
That's
No personal.
iwan kaya.
Thank you.
Attorney, any quick statement, sir? 5K nanonood sa live ngayon?
Consented to be recorded.
Alright. Alright.
Oh, sige.
Kung Mike, for the 5,000 watching live, anong statement natin?
Well, una sa lahat, si attorney was kind enough to come here and sabihin niya na hindi niya kayang tanggapin. So, itong opisinang to kasi hindi naman tao eh. Ba't na office? Sa saligang batas, kailangan tanggapin talaga. And ito ipapakita lang na talagang yung nauna impeachment ay kalokohan at gusto nilang babuyin ang ating proseso ng saligang batas sa impeachment. Ito lang ang pagkakataon ng tao magreklamo, hindi ba pinayagan?
Attorney Topacio, any statement?
Yes.
Any statement, sir?
Well, I second I give my full assent to the statement of Congressman Mike Defensor na talagang sinisigil yung karapatan ng mga taong bayan na sila ay magreklamo. Tara!
Congressman Paras, ano po statement natin sa kanilang pag-refuse ng ating complaint?
Well, unang-una, wala daw yung SecGen. Nasa Taiwan daw. Unang-una, yung SecGen, she's violating the One China policy. Kasi dati siya doon na head ng NECO. What's her business there? When she's supposed to work here to receive our complaint. So, dapat matanggal yan si Garapil. Tawag ko nga dyan, Garapal eh.
Alright, we're just exiting the office of the Secretary General.
At civil society group na The Silent Majority ang panibagong reklamong plunder at graft laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte sa Office of the Ombudsman. Ayon sa grupo, pinalalawak ng reklamo ang isinampa noong December 2025 kaugnay ng confidential funds at sumasaklaw umano sa mga katiwalian o panunungkulan ni VP Sara bilang kalihim ng DepEd at alkalde ng Davao City. Kabilang sa mga aligasyon ng sinasabing plunder at malversation ng 650 million pesos na confidential funds ng Office of the Vice President at DepEd, 2.7 billion pesos na confidential funds ng Davao City, graft at malversation sa 8 billion pesos na overpriced laptops sa DepEd, mahigit 12 billion pesos na COA disallowances, 7 billion pesos na unliquidated cash advances, kakulangan sa pagpapatayo ng mga silid-aralan, umano'y hindi idineklarang mahigit 2 billion pesos na ari-arian sa SALN at sinasabing panunuhol at katiwalian. Ang reklamo ay kasunod ng naunang mga sumbong laban sa Vice Presidente kaugnay ng paggamit ng confidential funds.
Si Trillanes, hindi na natin papatulan yan at talagang natin walang kakwenta-kwenta yan. Baka sabihin ni Trillanes, sikat pa siya. Oo. Hindi niya alam, sikat chupoy na siya. Alam mo sikat chupoy, di ba? Sikat chupoy, hindi mo nilala sikat chupoy.
Yung mabang buhok.
Ano mabab? Oo, yung
Di ba yung ganun?
dito, yun, oo, sikat chupoy. Hindi siya sikat chupoy siya. Oo, nakakatawa siya, komedyante siya. Ito ba, isang komedyante, speaking of a comedian, sabi ni Castro, nakausap daw niya ang Pangulo. At sinabi daw ng Pangulo na siya ay hindi nababahala sapagkat wala daw siyang ginawang kasalanan. Hindi po yun ang reason kung bakit hindi nababahala si Pangulong Marcos. Hindi siya nababahala kasi walang kakwenta-kwenta yung final na impeachment.
Ayun.
At kaya walang kakwenta-kwenta yon kasi impeach me yun eh. Alam mo yun? Impeach me. Oo, impeach mo ko para wala nang ibang makapag-file ng impeachment. Oo, kayo naman. Alam nyo, kumana na rin kayo, napaka-obvious naman. Iniinsulto nyo ang talino ng sambayanang Filipino. Tingin nyo, hindi namin mahahalata yun na ang nag-file niyan, abogado ng asawa mo. Kau naman, oo. Ayusin nyo naman kasi. Siguro yung mga, alam nyo, kung may budget man yan, baka binubuko lang kayo sa budget. Kasi kung ano-ano lang kapuitan ang ginagawa parang kontratista sa bahay yan Parang yung flood control.
Opo.
Bibigyan mo ng billion-billion ang produkto substandard. Ganon din yan nangyari dyan sa impeachment na yan siguro malaki budget ay
Discounted.
substandard yung pagkagawa. So yung impeachment na yan parang flood control na rin yan. Ang tawag naman dyan, impeachment control. Naku po!
Oh my God.
Pinaglululoko nyo kami. Alam mo, Mr. President, there will be a time na lahat yan babalik sa'yo. Maniwala ka. Parang si Claire Castro, natatawa ko rin sa taong to. Galit na galit siya nung dinemanda siya ni Congressman Leviste.
Okay.
Siya nga kung makapanlait di ba?
Okay.
Pagkatapos, duwag na duwag naman. Si Trixie Cruz Angeles, naglagay lang ng post na eto figure of speech. Obvious naman na figure of speech na sinabi na pag nilaglag siya ni Presidente, yung isang parte ng katawan lang niya sa may spine ang walang latay. Sabi threat daw yun, pagbabanta daw yun. Saang planeta ba pagbabanta yun? Figure of speech yun
Di ba abogada siya? Dapat alam
daw,
ko
sabi niya. Di umano.
Pero attorney, dapat siguro mag-invite din tayo ng mga bagong graduate ng bar. Medyo nakakatakot na tong sitwasyon natin.
Yung mismong kapatid ni Pangulong Marcos hindi na naniniwala na sincere and in good faith yung impeachment na final ni Attorney De Jesus. Di ba? Sabi nga niya, eto ang sinabi ni Senator Amy Marcos. Eto, Tagalogin mo. Eto sabi niya, and I quote, "We know the background of those who filed.
Alam namin ang kanilang yung
Background.
background.
Yung lupa sa likod.
Oh, yun.
Background eh.
Hindi, alam nila kung ano yung mga dating karanasan. Yung
pagkatao
tao,
yan.
pagkatao
Oo,
yun.
oo,
Yung ibig sabihin.
ito, sabi
Sorry.
niya.
Yes.
The dramatic move is obvious.
Ang inyong mga drama ay sobra ng alam na.
Halata.
Halata. Yan.
We have watched this film before.
Napanood na namin yan dati sa pelikula.
Ito, Tagalog na ito. Bumenta na yan sa takilya, sabi ni...
Ayun. Ah,
sabi
sikat.
Oo.
Sikat pala.
Oo, yan ang sinasabi
Ay.
ni Senator Marcos. Alam nyo, nasa forefront na naman si Senator Marcos eh. Mamaya
Opo.
ating tatalakayin niyan yung kanilang minority report kung bakit may
Opo.
gano'n na nanggagalaiti si Senate President Vicente Soto. Ha?
Bakit siya magagalit?
Yun nga unofficial daw. Pero mamaya tatalakayin natin yan kasi nakakatawa yan eh. Ang nangyayari dyan at bakit daw nilabas yung minority report. Pero ano natin yan?
Bakit lumabas?
Bakit daw naglabas si Senators Marcoleta and Marcos. Yan.
Yun na.
Ay, pero bago tayo magpatuloy, batiin natin!
Sige po.
Congratulations kay Police General Nicolas Torre III.
Sa kanyang bagong posisyon?
Hindi,
Ano?
nagretiro na siya.
Ay,
Oo,
kaka-appoint lang, retired.
sa pulis.
Sa pulis.
Oo.
Okay.
Optional retirement. Kasi dapat yan, ilang years of service? 20 years yata eh.
Opo.
Parang ganon. O 30 years ba?
Inaccelerated siya.
Oo, pwede ka naman mas maaga roon na
Okay.
mag-retire. Okay lang naman yun.
Ayun
Oo.
pala eh.
Kaya, kasi dapat isa lang ang 4-star general
Opo.
sa police service. So, yung nagkakaroon kasi ng anomalous situation na ngayon, na si General Nartates,
Nartates.
Castilla kay Nartates ay 3-star rank lang siya pero PNP chief siya.
Oh.
Yung 4-star rank na si Torre nga ay hindi siyang PNP chief, parang floating siya.
Opo.
So ngayon na nag-retire na siya, nalibre na kumbaga yung pagka-force, yung ranggong 4-star, ilalapat na yan kay General Nartates para mawala na yung anomalya na hindi 4-star general yung hepe ng pulisya.
Ayun.
Yan. Di ba nga nasa MMDA naman ngayon
Ay, siya.
si General Torre, di ba?
Opo, opo.
Siya ay inappoint. Di ba?
Nako.
Kasi nga nakikwestiyon yung appointment niya at saka yung reassignment.
Pati yung ASBO yata, hawak niya yan eh, no?
Oo. Ngayon naman, since nasa pribado na siya,
Opo.
wala na magiging question either tungkol kay Nartates o sa kanya sapagkat siya ngayon ang general manager ng MMDA. So, nag-retire siya sa pagka-pulis.
Opo.
Oo. Hindi siya nag-retire sa pagka-foolish.
Holy wow.
Foolish pa rin siya.
Ano talaga pag matalin si Atty. talaga. Ay! Sige.
Di ba may mga sinasabi tayo noon, pulis.
Anong
matulis?
Ikaw talaga. Ayan. Narinig ko lang yan, ha?
Ganun ba? Anyway, yan po ang sitwasyon natin. Kaya